হ্যালো ভিউয়ার্স, আমার স্কুল চ্যানেলে সবাইকে সুস্বাগতম। বর্তমান সময়ে পরীক্ষা একটি চ্যালেঞ্জের বিষয়, তাই বিভিন্ন ধরনের পরীক্ষা যেমন নেট, সেট, পিএসসি, ডাব্লিউবিসিএস, এসএসসির মতো পরীক্ষা ক্র্যাক করতে এই ধরনের ভিডিও অবশ্যই দেখতে হবে। তাই চলুন দেরি না করে শুরু করা যাক।
সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন আমার স্কুল চ্যানেলকে এবং পাশে থাকা বেল আইকন ক্লিক করুন প্রতিনিয়ত ভিডিও সবার আগে দেখার জন্য।
Hello friends, today we know about Andrew Cooper Lawson, that means A.C. Lawsons. We know about some short biography about his. Firstly, Lawson was born on July 25, 1861 in Anstruther, Scotland. He moved to Hamilton, Ontario, Canada with his parents at age 6. That means when he was 6 years old, then he came with his father in Canada. In 1883, he received his BA degree in Natural Science from the University of Toronto. He worked for the Geological Survey of Canada while pursuing his graduate degree. He received his MA from the University of Toronto in 1885 and his PhD from Johns Hopkins University in 1888. Here we know some short biography about Andrew Cooper Lawson, that means A.C. Lawsons. It's so much important to know about some geographers. So we'll read and learn about the famous geographers. If you think some missing is here, then pause the video and read again. Next, remember about A.C. Lawsons, and we know again, born July 25, 1861, Anstruther, Scotland. That means he born in Scotland and died June 16, 1952, aged 90. That means when he was 90 years old, then he was died. Where? Alameda County, California. Nationality Scotland. Known for report on the 1906 San Francisco earthquake. Awards: Hayden Memorial Geological Award 1935. And next, Penrose Medal 1938. Fields: his fields was geology. Institutions: that means he read University of California, Berkeley. Berkeley University, in Berkeley, University of California, he read here. Some questions are come in exam, that where is established University of California, and answer we know that here is Berkeley. So we remember it. And next, other important points. Pan Fan term was named by him 1915. This term Pan Fan much more times come in net set exam, so we remember it and remember the term Pan Fan. Who used the term Pan Fan? Pan Fan term was named by him, that means A.C. Lawson named the term Pan Fan in the year 1915. he proposed the recession theory. Recession theory proposed by him. These two terms, PAN-FANT and recession theory, is so much importance of various exam. We know about some short note about recession theory. Next we know Larsen's recession theory. According to Larsen's 1915, pediments are developed because of gradual recessions of mountain front caused by weathering and erosions due to backwashing of mountain front through mechanical disintegration of rocks and consequent aeolian and fluvial erosion. Aeolian and fluvial erosion. Mountain front is subjected to gradual recessions. This process results in the formation of more and more smooth rock cut plains. And second para, as the mountain front recedes, debris is deposited in the lower segments of the pediment, and thus the alluvial deposits in the form of alluvial fans extend upslope on the pediments. Thus the thickness of the veneer of deposits also increases. Pediments are exhumed due to removal of deposits under the impact of diastrophic movements. The thin cover resting on pediments may also be removed through climate changes or from long continued aeolian depletions. So here we know about some short note about Law's recession theory. So we know about A.C. Larsen and his short biography and important notes and some important theories, that's recession's theory. If you think some matching here, then see the video again. Thank you for watching my video.
সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন আমার স্কুল চ্যানেলকে এবং পাশে থাকা বেল আইকন ক্লিক করুন প্রতিনিয়ত ভিডিও সবার আগে দেখার জন্য।